The brain's electrical activity appears chaotic at first glance, with billions of neurons firing in seemingly random patterns. This noise isn't malfunction, it's a feature of healthy cognition. Research shows this background activity consumes 60% of the brain's energy, serving as a ready state for rapid response. Microscopic views reveal constant, unpredictable spikes, forming a dynamic foundation for thought. Advanced fMRI scans uncover structured waves within the apparent chaos. These synchronized patterns, called neural oscillations, coordinate information flow across brain regions. Theta waves, 4 to 8 Hz, govern memory formation, while gamma waves, 30 to 100 Hz, facilitate sensory processing. This emergent order enables the brain to filter relevant signals from noise, a process disrupted in conditions like schizophrenia. Neurons self-organize into dynamic networks that constantly rewire. Each neuron connects to 7,000 others on average, forming 100 trillion total synapses. Through spike timing-dependent plasticity, connections strengthen or weaken based on use. This creates adaptive circuits that can bypass damage, explaining how stroke survivors regain function through therapy-driven reorganization. Inhibitory neurons act as the brain's regulators, releasing GABA to calm overactive circuits. Comprising 20% of neurons, these breaks prevent seizure-inducing runaway excitation. Studies on optogenetics demonstrate how precisely timed inhibition creates windows for signal processing. This delicate excitation/inhibition balance is crucial. Its disruption links to epilepsy, autism, and anxiety disorders. When pathways damage, the brain reroutes information like a GPS recalculating routes. Neuroplasticity allows surviving neurons to form new connections, often within hours of injury. Rehabilitation therapies exploit this by creating enriched environments that stimulate regrowth. Remarkably, even adult brains can grow new neurons in the hippocampus through aerobic exercise and learning. Neural oscillations synchronize across regions to bind sensory information into coherent experiences. During face recognition, visual cortex gamma waves sync with prefrontal gamma within 200 milliseconds. This temporal precision explains why multitasking fails. The brain must desynchronize one task's rhythm to initiate another. Musical training enhances this synchronization ability, demonstrating neuroplasticity. Memories form when chaotic activity stabilizes into reproducible patterns. During sleep, the hippocampus replays daily experiences at 20 times speed, transferring them to long-term storage. This process depends on shockwave ripples, bursts of synchronized activity that strengthen important connections while pruning irrelevant ones. Disrupting these ripples impairs learning, explaining sleep's critical role in memory consolidation. Controlled chaos boosts creativity. fMRI scans show increased random activity in default mode networks during insight solutions. This explains aha moments emerging when relaxing focused attention. Jazz improvisation studies reveal how experts leverage this, suppressing executive control to allow novel connections. The optimal creativity state balances enough disorder for novelty with enough structure for implementation. AI neural networks mimic the brain's chaos-order balance. Like biological neurons, artificial nodes exhibit stochastic resonance. Adding noise sometimes improves signal detection. However, brains surpass AI in energy efficiency, using just 20 watts versus AI's megawatts and adaptive learning. Neuromorphic chips now emulate biological plasticity, with some achieving 100,000 times better energy efficiency than conventional processors. The healthy brain thrives on the tension between chaos and order. Too much order causes rigidity, as in OCD. Too much chaos leads to psychosis. This dynamic equilibrium enables both stability and adaptability, remembering yesterday while learning today. As research continues, we discover that consciousness itself may emerge from this delicate dance between predictable patterns and creative unpredictability.